Briana. I am the director here at Montessori Kids Universe of Hutto. I'm usually the one behind the camera in all of these videos, but today I wanted to come on and talk about something that's very important to me. Throughout school, you hear pay attention a lot, but what does that actually mean? Has anyone taught you how to pay attention? Mindfulness, as described by Jon Kabat-Zinn, who introduced mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR, 30 years ago, says mindfulness is paying attention in a particular way, on purpose, in the present moment, non-judgmentally. Mindfulness is not a religion. It's not absence of thought. It's not by any means a punishment. I believe it's important to start teaching about mindfulness as early as possible. Here at MKU Hutto, we practice mindfulness in every single one of our classrooms. Because mindfulness is a concept to improve awareness of experiences, thoughts, and feelings, some scientists and researchers recommend starting as soon as a child is able to understand what you're saying. Because mindfulness has to be taught. The best way to teach mindfulness, though, is through modeling. I have so many tips on how to introduce mindfulness to young children, but today I'm going to talk about the Mindfulness Jar. I have done this for years in many of my classrooms, and I'm really excited to show you. Okay, so I have an old pasta sauce jar, some glitter, some clear glue, some water, food coloring, and a spoon. So first we're gonna put some water in, about 1/3 of the way up. Then I'm gonna put a little more than half of this glue into the jar. That should be good. I wanna stir up the glue. Next, I'm gonna put glitter. I love glitter, so you can put as much or as little as you want. You don't have to add food coloring, but I'm gonna add a little bit of red food coloring. There's about 4 or 5 drops in there. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more water. You want to go almost all the way to the top, but not quite, so you can leave some space. I'm going to put the top back on, give it a good shake, and it's that simple, the mindfulness jar. Okay, so why is this a mindfulness jar? As you can see, I shook it up, so the glitter is moving quite fast. This helps young children have something to focus on. It doesn't have to be when they're upset. It can be just when their thoughts are all over the place, but it's a nice thing to have and to focus, and as time goes by, the glitter slows down and eventually settles, just like their body will settle. Thanks, have a great day.